So I think we have nearly reached our time. I would like to thank enormously all the track leads, all the participants in all tracks as well. Thank you very much, all the presenters, Neville Calera, Praveen Gomez, Joao Breda, Geneviève Hutchinson, Aida Jost, Irene J. Liu, Guy Berger, Miguel Huego Oros, Susie Wiles for this second part. Also thank the speakers at the first part of this meeting. I think we have done a very large tour of what is infodemic management from the perspective of many sectors of the society. It's difficult to summarize all of this, but what I think we have learned all together, that there are a few things that are really important if we want to better manage infodemic. First, we need really to listen. Listening is very important, not only listening on social media, but listening our peers, listening other sectors, listening communities as well, listening to concerns. This is really important. And in our world where sometimes people put more emphasis on speaking than hearing, I think it's very important for us to reflect how we can develop better methods to listen. The second thing that is also very important is communication, but communicating very high quality information and at the same time favoring the two-way dialogue. And it has been highlighted by many speakers that it's not one-way communication, it's really two-way communication, and how we can really engage in making sure that it's happening. The third thing that is really important is that we need to debunk myth. We need to look for the truth. We need to have fact checkers. So it's also very important to track misinformation and disinformation, because it's important also to know what is circulating out there, and so that we can also provide good information to respond to the needs of the people. And finally, what is also extremely important is to engage with communities, different kinds of communities, to empower those communities to find their own solution. And I think this is what we have tried throughout this conference, is to give the floor to different communities, whether it's a health community, the science community, the civil society communities, I mean, different communities of practice, or communities, geographic communities, to find their own solution to this new phenomenon. And we learned today that overall, what is really important is partnering, working together, collaborate, because no one has a solution. It's a very complex situation, and we all have a piece of the solution and we need to put it together. So definitively, infodemic management is really the challenge of this 21st century. And we need to develop new methods, new solutions, reach outside our own sectors and countries and communities to find those solutions. So I think we have started a big journey, a long journey, but so far it has been very pleasant. I think what we have seen as well is that people have this willingness of sharing things and collaborating, and I think it has been fantastic. This community starting small, but now it's already very big. I heard that there are more than 200 signatories already for the call to action, and I hope that we will have thousands or millions of signatories by 15 February, so that we can really say that we are all together in this journey, and we are all together finding solution to this infodemic that is affecting us nowadays. So thanks a lot to everyone. It's Friday. I know that in some part of the world, Friday is a holiday, and usually people are not working. So, but what I would like to thank you all really for being with us today, sharing those great findings from each of the 6 tracks. And I just give you rendezvous on the 15th of February for a new global conference where we will share again our experience and solution to manage infodemic better. Tim?
Thank you. Before you adjourn, just one housekeeping announcement. All the materials will be soon available on the WHO website for you to see. Also, the recording of this conference. And the second thing is, as we will be concluding in a minute, we will also playing the video of the first cohort of Infodemic managers that completed the WHO training course. And if you feel inspired, look out for the second cohort announcement for next year when we will train the next cohort of Infodemic managers.
And my last word is really, I want to thank the fabulous team here at WHO who has put together this conference. The track leads in particular, I know it has been very demanding on them to organize those webinars. Thank also my regional colleagues and my other colleagues from the UN for their incredible support in this journey. So thanks to all. Bye.